How to enable dark mode on X. This quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to turn on dark mode in the X app. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. After that, choose Display, tap on it. You'll now see the appearance options for your X account. To enable dark mode on X, simply select Dark Mode and turn the toggle on. Once enabled, you can choose between Dim and Lights Out. The dim option gives you a dark blue background, while Lights Out uses a pure black background for an even darker look. Just select the style you prefer, and the changes will be applied instantly. If you don't see the dark mode option, make sure your X app is updated to the latest version, and then check again. And that's how to enable dark mode on X. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more X app tips and tutorials.